What's up everyone, it's me LMDL and I'm back in Roblox. At ngayon, lalaruin natin ang new game na to na Garden Horizon, which is similar to the Grow a Garden made by Jandel. So, curious ako dito kasi sobrang daming naglalaro at bagong labas lang eh no, 147,000. So, try natin. Let's go! Tara, enjoy tayo lahat. Okay, meron siyang parehas na beginning. Ooh! May slots pa, pwede palang pumili. Okay? So, meron pa siyang seeds at cells. Pati yung garden na icon. Okay. So, let's buy our first carrot. Okay, $20. Okay. And garden. Plant natin to. Okay. Ripen. Oh. Okay. So, meron pala siyang values pag parang like young, teen, and adult, parang ganun. So, mas mahal ba kaya pag naging ripen to? Ripen or ripen? I want to sell everything. Sell natin everything. Yeah. So, how much can I get back? Oh, okay. For 2 carrots, nakakuha tayo ng $164. And oh, book, carrot. Oh, so makikita mo dito yung values. Oh, okay. And the gear shop. Oh, malapit lang Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, 5,000 watering can, basic sprinkler, favorite tool. Oh, okay. Ano to? Ay, quest board. Okay. Similar siya sa Grow a Garden. May quest siya, tapos may gear shop. Okay. Harvest 6 tomatoes. Ano yung shillings? Yung bali, okay. So, ang shillings ay more like shekels. Okay. Shillings. Interesting. Oh, maganda rin yung details, yung pagka-plant, no? Shop. Oh, wala tayong Robux. We're broke. Oh, okay. Storm. Nice. Ripped. Okay, ripped. How much can I get back? Oh, okay. Okay. So, let's buy all the carrots, the corn, the onions. Oh, 200. Okay. Carrots, onion, and corn. Okay, hintayin na natin itong mag-grow. Mas maganda pa yung details na ginawa sa map na to Sa Grow a Garden, ang flatted lang, walang design. Oh. Mas malaki ata yung values ng fruit pag nakaano siya, parang ripped pag naging rip siya. You discover corn. Open up. Okay. Corn. What? $15 or $1 shilling? 15. Oh, okay. Nagets ko na. Uy, gold. Meron siyang effect gold. Onion. Ooh! Dang, 220. Magkano na lahat? Oh, damn, 754. 757. Let's get all the onion. Oh, strawberry. Oh, wala pera. Oh, kaya pala 15. Let's just say dollars eh. Oh, kaya pala $15 yung corn. Kasi growable siya. Hindi siya yung once a plant lang. Hindi naman once a plant yung ano eh. Hindi siya once a plant. Parang unlimited na siya. Okay, the gear shop are stocked. Kunin natin yan. Sell muna natin para may pera tayo. Hindi. More seeds. Okay, corn. Let's see, I get all the corn. Pwede kang hold. Ayun, pwede hold. Okay. Ay, similar talaga siya sa grow garden. Very, very similar. Pero except lang sa pagtatanim. Kasi mas detailed. Okay. Onion ripped. Okay. We get the onion. We get the carrots. Yung kamay ko nag-up. What the hell? Okay. The seeds. Check mo ata. Oh dang, 5,000. Okay. Super sprinkler, 100k. Okay, turbo. Oh, may turbo ah. Harvest bell. Okay. Oh, gold. Nice, nice. Golden carrots. Tagal naman. Oh, dang. Ang ganda ng pagkaano men. Pagkabunga ng corn. Ganda ng details. Dang. So, hintay muna tayo. Okay, malapit na. Yun, ripped. Okay, nice. So, okay, time to sell. How much? Yun lahat. Oh my god! I'm rich now, boy! Okay. Oh, apple seed. Oh, wala ko na. No more money, man. So, nakabili tayo ng 2 birot. Oh, nice. Killing this one. Beetroot. Okay. Oh, meron pa tayong 2.5. Okay. Kuha tayo ng isang, dalawa. Tapos, diretso mag-sell. Bro, no, sell tayo. So my inventory, everything. Okay, nice. Now, let's get that last beetroot I have. And let's plant it. Okay. Okay. Get another pack. Nakuha ko to sa my quest ata to. Quest. Okay. And I got amber pine. Amber pine. Oh, it's rare. Pwede kong... Ooh, damn! Laki! What the hell? Bro, paano to may move? Mamaya na move. Okay. Spend our corns. Okay, our onion. Ooh, wow! Love, man. This is amber pine. Okay. Wala pa. Kailangan ko ata maka-harvest yung fruit na ito para makuha ko yung ito Tawag ba yan yung isa? Para makita ko sa sabok kung magkano yung values. Okay, itong birot. Takal naman ano. Ano yun? Oh, what the heck? Ano to? Nagkaroon siya na parang slab. Okay. Onion. What else? Okay. Let's put our onions. Let's get our birot. Oh. Okay. Laki nitong leaves ng ano? Strawberry. Okay, birot. Get the birot. How much it costs? Oh, what? $2,000 per 0.9 kilogram. Okay. Oh, nag-restock na. Wala, kunin natin ito para may sisell. Wala na. Okay. Popcorn. Hey, carrots. And this is the corn. More like the popcorn. Corn. Ooh. And let's get what I get. And I got dandelion. And nakakuha ko ng dandelion. Okay, one more. And nakakuha tayo ng another dandelion. Then dandelion. Or yellow pa talaga to. I think white siya na parang bilog. Yung dandelion. Up. Oh my god, naka-rip na to. Okay, yung corn, rip na yung lush. Rip dapat, diba? Yo, how much is this? Okay, $26 siya. So, 26 for the lush corn. And for the rip one, which is bigger. Oh, okay, so I think mas maganda ang lush. Mas malaki kasi yung ripped eh. Mas maliit yung isa. Okay, fully grown na tong apple tree. Tara, let's go sell everything. Oh, damn. Rich na ako, boy. Rich na. Let's get everything, bro. Let's get the mushroom first. Mushroom, strawberry. Tapos, wala na ba? Wala na. Kunin natin yung corn and the carrots. Yeah. Kuha din tayo ng watering can. And let's get gambling din. And I got dandelion. Bro. Pura na lang dandelion. Give me something very good. Another dandelion. And I got I got the bell pepper. Nakakuha tayo ng mga bell pepper. So let's plant that. Okay, dandelion first. Let's put the bell pepper. Peppa Pig. Oh, damn. Lucky ah. And let's put our carrots. Ooh. Carrots. Let's put our corns. Yeah. So dapat huwag na tayo may pinakalmay kasi ng oras na 12. Pupunta nito ng 100%. And yes, let's go. Bell pepper. My bell pepper is 100% now. Oh. So let's call it a day everyone. Salamat sa panonood at sana hindi kayo na bored sa video ko. So, thank you. Peace.